How to convert an HEIC file to a JPEG file. Here is the HEIC file that I want to convert. You can see that when I open it in the Photos app, it won't even display without having to download an extension. So we're going to open up a web browser and do a search for HEIC to JPG. And we're going to go to the first website, HEIC2JPG.com. Drag and drop the HEIC file. And now the file is being converted. Once it's done, you can click on the image to download it to your device. It downloaded to my desktop, and now we have a JPEG. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.